swim bait around a little bit. I don't know. I fished here a week ago and I caught 2 1-pounders. I'm just gonna try to fish it slow. It's the start of winter, real cold, so the fish are gonna be a little bit slower than normal. Sorry for the wind. The audio is probably really bad. I don't know. I'm filming on a GoPro, so the water's super clear. Well, there we go. First cast backlash. Good start. This is a lot shallower than I thought it was. Last week it wasn't as clear and it wasn't as sunny when I fished. So, but I still connected on a couple fish, so you never know. Now I know why I wasn't catching fish over there on that left side bank last week. I was fishing basically dry earth. There's no water over there, really, real shallow. Oh, good fish, good fish. There's some really good fish down there. Got it. Big fish. Oh, it's like a 5. Oh. Big old creek bass. Probably about a 3-pounder, 3.5 I'd say. Awesome fish out of this creek. Here's where I'm fishing down here. That's awesome. Getting these fish in is tricky. Okay, so tonight I got home and was editing this video and realized that I didn't tell you that I made it to spot X. Is my second spot in the creek. That's a deep pool. There's a deep cliff. Not deep cliff. I don't know what I'm saying. I can't talk. Steep cliff. And I'm on this drop off. I'm probably 30 foot from the creek. Straight down, and I didn't even think about it before I started fishing there. So I apologize for having to pull a fish up that far. It's kind of inhumane. Sorry about that. And the first video, I said some weird things, so I couldn't put that in the video. So at the first part, I was going to be throwing a jig and a bluegill swim bait by Berkeley or something. I have no clue. I'm not sure. I got the lures at Walmart, and I've done really good at farm ponds and stuff, so I decided to throw that. So I'm new to this. I don't know if you can tell. I am, definitely, but just drop comments down and tell me what you think. If that's okay, stay tuned and watch me catch some fish. Got him. Oh, this is a big fish. Oh my God. Probably a six pounder on a finesse jig down in a random creek. My God, that's a big fish. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna get a quick picture. There's some absolute toads in this pond. Crazy. It's this little that's the little lake and a creek in between, basically. Just some absolute monsters. Caught 2 fish, over 3 pounds, pretty close together. That's say that's a good sign. We chunked this little bluegill around a little bit. Oh, bring it. Got it. That's another good one. About a 2-pounder or so. Just an awesome fish. Another great fish. This is the best place I've ever fished in my life. I just had another good fish on. I didn't really know it at the time. Throw it back out there, see if I can get a hold of him. One thing I forgot to add is that those pauses, those awkward pauses that I had going down to the creek, I was hearing some erratic gunshots and I was wondering what was going on. But that's about it on that. Gear, I was throwing my Shimano Casita on a 7-foot medium action Abu Garcia Veritas rod. And the spinning rod, I was throwing my Spyrex, my Shimano Spyrex on a 6.6 medium action Veritas rod. And on that, I was throwing the bluegill swim bait that I bought from Walmart. And on the bait caster, I was throwing a Bitsy Flip Strike King jig with the X-Sight trailer on it. So, that's about it, guys. Catch you next time on Bassin Outdoors 18.